Here's everything you need to know about Sendinblue before buying, including comparisons with competitors, so you can make the best decision for your needs. Stick around to learn if it's right for you, or if there's an even better option worth exploring. First up, Sendinblue stands out with its affordable pricing, especially for small businesses. Unlike competitors like MailChimp or HubSpot, Sendinblue's plans are based on email sent, not the number of contacts you store. This can save a lot of money if you manage a large audience, but don't email them frequently. Next thing, Sendinblue is more than just email marketing. It includes SMS marketing, basic CRM features, and even live chat. However, its CRM is very minimal compared to platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. If you need robust customer relationship management, this might not fully meet your needs. The third thing is its user-friendly interface. While many users find it intuitive, some reviewers mention a learning curve with advanced features like automation workflows. Competitors like ConvertKit may offer a slightly smoother experience for automation beginners. Moving on, Sendinblue's email templates are professional but somewhat limited. You can customize them, but the design flexibility isn't as advanced as tools like MailerLite or ActiveCampaign. This might be a drawback if you want highly personalized, intricate designs. Another key point, automation capabilities. Sendinblue offers solid automation tools, allowing you to create workflows triggered by specific actions. However, compared to ActiveCampaign, known for its advanced automation, Sendinblue's tools might feel basic. Next, deliverability rates. Sendinblue scores well here, but it's not flawless. Some users report emails landing in the spam folder, especially with free plans. Competitors like GetResponse often receive better deliverability feedback. Let's talk about the landing page builder. It's functional but limited compared to dedicated tools like Unbounce or Leadpages. If your focus is on creating high-converting landing pages, Sendinblue might not give you enough flexibility. The eighth thing is integrations. Sendinblue works with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and WooCommerce, but the integration options are fewer compared to MailChimp or Zapier-powered tools. Another point, support. Sendinblue offers email and chat support, but phone support is limited to higher plans. If you value comprehensive customer service, ActiveCampaign or HubSpot might feel more reliable. Next thing, scalability. Sendinblue is excellent for small to medium-sized businesses, but larger organizations may find its features too basic compared to enterprise solutions like Salesforce or Marketo. Now, pricing transparency. Sendinblue offers clear, straightforward pricing, unlike MailChimp, where hidden costs can appear as your needs grow. Finally, trial and free plans. Sendinblue provides a free plan with generous email limits compared to competitors, making it great for testing. But keep in mind, branding is included on free tier emails, which might not be ideal for businesses needing a polished look. Overall, Sendinblue is a strong choice for small businesses that need affordable and functional marketing tools. But if you're looking for a more advanced platform, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the better fit for your needs.